First day of 8th budget session of 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly approves renaming of Imphal International Airport as Birthakendrajit International Airport. Tangmiban MLA Kumukchum Joy Kishan attacks Chief Minister N. Biren over Standard Robert Higher Secondary School girl student that case. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren assures CBI in tracking fugitive former ADC Chairman Luko Sezo with Interpol's help. Students of Bangun Higher Secondary School in Mayang Imphal stormed Wangoi ZEO office demanding adequate teachers. World Indigenous People Day observance organized by Manipur Friendship Organization, MAFRO at Standard College stresses need to save indigenous inhabitants. And innovator Saikom Surjit's portable power loom and motor spinning will bring much delight to women weavers of the state. Hello, welcome to Back News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangcham with the headlines and details. 8th budget session of 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly begin around 11 a.m. today. Opening the session, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren paid obituary reference to late members of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Holkomang Haukeb, Dr. M. Horam, M. Chungkosi and former Secretary of Manipur Legislative Assembly, A. Halim Chaudhary. Speaker of Manipur State Legislative Assembly, Yumnam Khemchan, also gave time to opposition leader Okram Ibobi to pay obituary reference to the deceased leaders. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren tackled the Manipur Private Security Agency Regulation Rules 2019 and report of State Vigilance Commission for financial year 2018-19 in the House on the first day of the session. The two sittings assembly session will continue till August 27th. Ignoring Nauriya Pakang Lakpa Assembly Constituency, MLA Soibam Subhash Chandra plea not to change the name of Imphal International Airport from Tulihal Airport, the House today approved to rename the airport as Birthakendrajit International Airport. Opposition leader Okram Ibobi gave no objection to the motion raised by Chief Minister N. Biren and even gave suggestions to improve the airport. MLA Subhash Chandra asked the House what harm in there to leave the name of the airport as Tulihal Airport, which was taken after deity Tulihal. He also mentioned about various unwanted incidents that have occurred due to construction of the airport without performing proper ceremonial rites. However, Speaker of the House did not give any time to discuss on the matter and passed the government's resolution to rename Imphal International Airport as Birthakendrajit International Airport. Opposition MLA Kumukchum Joy Kishan raised calling attention motion in the House today on the recent suspicious death of a girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur. Chief Minister N. Biren and MLA Joy Kishan exchanged heated arguments for over half an hour over the issue. MLA Joy Kishan urged Chief Minister N. Biren, who also holds the Home Minister portfolio, to uncover the mystery behind the suspicious death at the earliest, and inquired on the government's procedure of handling over the case to the CBI. He also condemned that police released misleading statements even before completion of full investigation of the case. Joy Kishan also asks how Imphal Free Press got hold of the student's post-mortem report, which was even denied to her parents. He asks why no action was taken against the editor. Joy Kishan also wanted to know why authorities restricted members of the JAC formed against the incident and family members from meeting the 36 roommates of the deceased girl student. Responding to the calling attention motion, Chief Minister Biren asserted that the government's intention is very clear. He maintained that government has submitted a written request to the Department of Personnel Training to hand over the case to the CBI through one officer of State Deputy Secretary Home. Opposition leader Okrami Bobi highlighted the process for submission of case to the CBI in the House and urged the government to consider people's sentiment and act so. Chief Minister Biren assured that government will try its best to resolve the case. Chief Minister Nongthomban Biren disclosed in the House today that fugitive Lutkosai Zhao, a former BJP leader and ADC chairman who was arrested in connection with huge drug haul, is reportedly on a hideout in Myanmar. He assured that CBI is tracking him with Interpol's help and efforts are underway to locate drugs hub. Chief Minister Biren was responding to calling attention motion raised by opposition MLA K. Meghachandra in the House today about huge drug bust by government in its around 2.5 years of tenure. He asks why Lutkosai Zhao drug case was not handed over to the CBI. Opposition leader Okrami Bobi seconded MLA Meghachandra, stating that even the investigating officer of the case was found to be involved in the giant drug haul. Students of Bangun Higher Secondary School in Mayang Imphal constituency stormed Wangoi ZDO office demanding adequate teachers for the school, which caters to over 400 students today. Students started their agitation around noon. They gathered in front of the ZDO office chanting various slogans. Wangoi police team rushed to the spot and contained the situation. Later, police allowed few students to meet the ZDO. Agitating students told media that government upgraded Bangun Higher Secondary School from a high school in 2016. However, it has failed to give teachers for physics, chemistry and Manipuri subjects till date. They condemned that government keeps declaring to improve education sector of the state, leaving such inadequacies unattended.
Koina yamna khongjang jangjal le ma'am ma se tha dana khotana ma'am taure adada ekoi press ta jatna khotana ka ma'am wakat khre sida ekoi was ta bi disi kai ginoba jono stone gi de wazang khawar khida khudak ta pungam ni lepa kan dekta moi gi oza wat pa dekta hanjal pi ngam ekoi dike pi ngam moi dorma ba khunung manung ne ekoi handana khali bro sitri bra ba ekoi sarkar school phagalan jhara ga oza pi bi draga kamaina no ba chhatra sing phagla kador se khud ka chinga man han se oza wat pa pi bi yo aduna tra de ekoi akan khongjang jangjal lakane.
Manipur Friendship Organization MAFRO held World Indigenous People Day observance at the auditorium of Standard College today. Presenting the keynote address, MAFRO General Secretary Naurem Johnson stated that as per 2011 census, Manipur's population is 27,21,756, out of which population of Meitei community, which is the majority community of the state, is 8,58,787. Population of hilly inhabitants is 7,77,747 and Meitei Pangal community's population is 2,73,769. Expressing apprehension that indigenous Meitei community outnumbered the outsiders by mere 46,934 people, Naurem Johnson stressed the need to implement ILP system in Manipur to save its indigenous inhabitants. Speaking at the event, Secretary of Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur, Kosim C.H. Biren stated that World Indigenous People Day observance brings a platform for all the indigenous inhabitants of the state to come together. Leaders of various hills and valley-based civil society organizations took part in the event. Students, including Thangta students, carried out a rally from Kongba Khetri Laikai till Standard College to mark the day.
Masigi function asina maram warakanda Manipur gi mafam sinba thungna lairiba dugumba khoigi yalhumi sing asi amata waina punjana nabagi platform ama hoidana waigani haibagi achet pathajaba ado hariba ngasigi numit asina sakhi oiduna lehoragani ngasi function asibu senbi langbireba khoige mafroge khoige isinina oksingnasu yamna khoige mafam matam chana sigumlaba chai khudingi function asi senduna lagli hariba function asina maram warakanda manipur gi yelomi singsi matungdasu sigum function sina maram warakanda khoi punjana nabagi adugumba platform ama saganminasi ngasi
One Saikum Surjit has invented a portable power loom and a motor spinning wheel, much to the delight of women weavers of the state. Impact News brings you a report in this regard.
Saikom Surjit made relentless efforts to invent a portable power loom since 2015. His efforts came to fruition with a successful innovation of a portable power loom with a disc brake. His portable power loom will help weavers in producing fine products in short duration. Surjit from Khoiro Thongju Part 2 in Thongju constituency has also invented a motor spinning wheel. Speaking to media, Surjit stated that he is a mechanic by profession. Surjit said his wife Saikom Ongbi Memi insisted him to come up with a power loom.
Sida tawrije konji portable size ni portable size da achoba cha phi marak achoba cha ba yadoini hunmaji konda pangi da depend tawdre magi pang den je matom da independent oina nawi mari sina adum hunja bane mongonda pang dem chappa leite any marak ta chaba yaiba adagi paba kungbasi akhoigi sidi khutna adum thanaja bai tare hang tinghaninga ga chu display ada operate tongdabam yaurije seida tight hoilagana hang tingjare thadogana adum my normal keno dum ohen bai tare.
A weaver from Khongman, Sunita, stated that there is a huge difference in the fineness of the cloth weaved on Surjit's power loom and other looms. She highlighted various advantages provided by Surjit's power loom.
Sigi power loom sigi oinadi khongsina akoina break phare digi plus adugi mathusidaida kon se sarakanda pisil langse loikibada kaigumba akoina khangaudragadi pangsina thengakpagi matungna sum konsallebako power loom amajudaidadi si konjangibuna akoi sidaida sangang amakhag leiyebako adu sigi power loom sidaidadi kaigumba aduduna tawkiba oiragasu akoi sidaida pansariba handle sinako chingthoaga ko chingthokpagi ahenba ma leire aduna akoida khuloire hangse nopina khalba oiragasu amajudaidadi akoina anop atingse sanabada akoi yaudebako ado sidaidadi akoi sisna maram oiraga akoina sigi anop atingjima phije changamda haitareko phajana thamba ngambagi akoi sidaida ahenba henna nungaijaba haitare.
Surjit's wife Memi stated that the invention of the power loom took long owing to the family's financial problem. She expressed happiness over the success of the portable power loom invented by her husband.
Halega mi konsemane de ma si pat wale degi misin leite adu leite have the ma tumjanjaraga mana mai toroga misin leina ba de keno to ma si lei khotana tawre de somda su mana sona ga da ung lai kan mina paisa do leita banina akoi da su wai dana nungai ba ma di dum phawe adi akoi ne hoji aham de ai ngo da mi sari mi chappe ga khole ga haba mayam do hoji de aina su dum sa ba yam laina haira bani mi ateina su yam laina sa gani na khalle indana mi mayam da su aina wakhan da di pamna gani na khalle.
Saikom Surjit dedicated his portable power loom to women weavers of the state. He firmly believes that his portable power loom would greatly benefit them. Surjit urged the government and the relevant authority to help him with his project.
I wakhan jida I posi reasonable oiba mamanda dum yolaga sengna da salon sa tor hinbo keno ne koi nupi sing koi gi manipur da leiba koi nupi sing ji salon sa loina tawne moi da chana ba mamanda piraga ai ji mai pa pam tadi oi yeng khali ne power loom phana pharaga su kitang adum phi je adum chingthok chingjin adum leine ba mai gi ting ba de gi mai gi keno toi dik matung ina khunna sa ba ji di khunna sa ba ji yong am ponte ai keno sina torga di kitang kana ga khali di mapan phi je ani ji ta sengna ba da lang da lai ju sape phi sar loi sang ji ju ani ruler ani ne sapne ba aduna ne ba phi mapan ga chap tingi ba de apa kung phajari che.
This is Joyce Chowisham, Bureau Report, Impact News.
And on the note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we'll bring you an news on 5-day residential training course for teachers and students of Churchandpur and Chandal districts to curb drug menace. We'll be right back. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. Social Welfare Department kicked off 5-day residential training course for teachers and students of Churchandpur and Chandal district today with an aim to curb drug menace from the state. Director of Social Welfare Department Ngangom Uttam, Deputy Director Konsam Saroja and top officials of the department attended the event held on the theme Nisa Laitaba Manipur ONC at the conference hall of Diocesan Social Service Society in Mantripuki. Opening the program, Director Ngangom Uttam led attendees in taking a pledge to refrain from drug abuse and to help those addicted. Speaking to media, Director Uttam reminded that government launched Nisha Laitaba Manipur ONC mission last year to curb drug menace from the state. He said that the government aims to declare 80 selected schools in all the districts of the state as drug-free zone under the mission. Director Uttam maintained that 5 schools of Churchandpur and Chandal districts were selected for the training in the first phase of the mission. He mentioned that experts will counsel students against drug abuse during the training program. The director assured that government will give such trainings in all the remaining districts in the near future.
Manipur ki district khudingi school manga khangalaga apunna school marfu ji ahan bagi oina akhoi gi drug free zone aina lauthoknaba pandam ama thami hairiba pandam ji gi makhada khangalaba school jing sidagi chhatra ani oja ani akhoina residential training program ama sillaga magi school sida kaigumba drug chaba chhatra yaura gadi karmaina deal tawgadage kamaina loina gadage school gi surrounding sida drug mayai ka ba nisa yolakpa matamda karmaina thengna gadage haiba masigi ain gi oiba miyeng oiro aduga akhoi gi counseling gi thabak pu oiro sigi mayam sigi basic training ama pina bai damakta khoina resource person makhal ni aga sinjabani.
Manipur helicopter service relaunched by the state government on August 21st has benefited people of the state to a great extent. The helicopter service has reduced day-long journey from Imphal to Ziribam to mere 30 minutes duration. Even though the government's initiative has eased commuters, it still has to improve the deplorable helipad at Harinagar in Ziribam. Impact News came across various inadequacies at the almost 1-year-old helipad. Ticket counter, checking of passengers and weighing their baggage are all done in a single room at the helipad. Above these, there is only one toilet complex for both men and women passengers. Speaking to Impact News, a passenger expressed disappointment that there is no proper waiting room for the passengers at the helipad, considering that Ziribam is the hottest place in Manipur. She maintained that the route leading to the helipad from Ziribam market is difficult for newcomers to locate. Residents of Harinagar urged the government to repair the deplorable route leading to the helipad immediately.
helper ki facility sida mi mayam phamba yaba mi mayam rest obu yaba mafam mama sembiradi ekho traveler mayam gi damak hena convenient oine na maru na khara fan yauba AC na tarbasu yarabadi AC gi hold up tabam pham mama aduga chak refreshment khara chaba yaba mafam dusu sembiradi sida gi reception gi program che khajik tang improve tobasu the tauradi hena ga ticket kakpasu online facility da mayam du the facility tobirabadi yamna hen nungai ni
highway road natabida Ziribam khoi sidagi helipad tari balambi se fazana khoi gi phibam se soeba adu chief minister birela khon da so harami siamgane na punamak tawrakane na ado sakhara gadi karim bogjeng bisu jeng bide
MGNR GEGA job card holders under Charangpat Gram Panchayat in Wangkhem constituency expressed disappointment over alleged misappropriation of 2-year wages of over 2,500 job card holders. Speaking to media at the worksite of Charangpat Maninglaika yesterday, one job card holder alleged that Pradhan and members of the Gram Panchayat kept the cards with them. He added that the job card holders were given back the cards with entry mentioning that 2,090 rupees were given to each of them, while in fact only 200 rupees each were given. He urged authorities concerned to look into the matter. A man was stabbed to death at Langthabal Mantri Khong Awang Laikai under Singjamai Police Station in Imphal West District around noon today. Police arrested the murder accused while people of the area vandalized his house. The deceased 39-year-old Kangambam Romesh, son of Chorjit from Langthabal Mantri Khong Awang Laikai, and the accused murderer is 36-year-old Arambam Liman, son of Santabir from the same colony. Sources said that Liman came to Romesh's house at mealtime and assaulted his mother and wife. Romesh reportedly went to inquire about the incident at Liman's house, but he was stabbed. Romesh succumbed to his injuries on the way to a hospital. Members of Namtalong Women's Society carried out protest demonstration demanding justice for the deceased girl student of St. Robert Higher Secondary School at Namtalong in Thangmaiban constituency today. Women members of the JAC formed against the mysterious death also protested by chanting various slogans at Thangmaiban Thau Gate while the State Assembly session was in progress. Members of JAC formed against the unnatural death of Maibam Sanchit held a public meeting at Mongsangay Mayai Laikai Pilo Library Community Hall today, demanding justice for the victim. They resolved to carry out intense hesitation if justice was not served at the earliest. A police team led by additional SP Imphal West Aribam Ganashyam rushed to the spot and maintained a strict vigil to avoid any untoward incidents. It may be recalled that Maibam Sanchit was hit by a vehicle at Hyangthang in the night of August 23rd, and he succumbed to his injuries at Raj Medicity Hospital. Students of Union of Wycombe Money Girls College Thoubal organized an event today to celebrate upgrading of the 8th college into a full-fledged government college. Attendees appreciated Chief Minister Rongthongbam Biren, Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam and other cabinet ministers for the approval to upgrade the college. It may be mentioned that the state cabinet meeting held on August 21st at the Chief Minister's Secretariat resolved to upgrade 480 college of the state into full-fledged government college. Wangkhem Muslim Development Association WMDA loaded a team of Thoubal District Police who seized 40 lakh World is Yours tablet worth around 400 crore rupees in the international market from Pauden Kairambi on August 24th. Speaking to media at WMDA office in Thoubal Wangkhem today, Association advisor Muhammad Alimuddin condemned that 41-year-old Muhammad Ayub Khan, son of late Muhammad Azizur Rahman, and Muhammad Hussain, son of Muhammad Zakir from Thoubal Wangkhem, who were arrested in the case, brought disgrace to the village. Alimuddin urged Thoubal SP, Yairipok OC and the relevant department to make the village drug-free area. He assured that members of the association and the local residents will extend full solidarity for the same. MWDA advisor Muhammad Ashraf Saha, senior citizen of the village, Muhammad Shahid Ahmad, members of the association and Maira Paibi members took part in the meet. Commandant of 86 CRPF Battalion S.H. Kalyan Singha has distributed 20 water tanks of 500 litres capacity each to residents of Namjathong, Kaithalmanbi Mitai Village, Kaithalmanbi Koke Village, Konglon, Senam Kaithong and P. Bongsang Village of Kangpokpi District under its Civic Action Program. The program held under Manipur and Nagaland Sector IGP Anshuman Yadav IS was supervised by DIGP Range Imphal PK Singh. Speaking at the event, Commandant S.H. Kalyan Singha stated that the event aimed to enhance ties between common people and security forces. Chairman of Kaithalmanbi Namjathang Village, Agui Rangmei, expressed gratitude to 86 Battalion CRPF for their initiative. BJP Nambol Mandal held a reception ceremony for the National Youth Award in 2019. Thaunaucha Memota at Nambol Bazaar. Year-old Momota from Utlau Mayai Leka is the youngest person to receive the award till date. Members of Mami Tawan Foundation gave a warm reception to its member and hockey player Kangunjam Chinglensana, who was recently nominated for Arjuna Award upon his arrival at Imphal. Tulhiel Airport today. Chinglensana will receive the prestigious award at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi on August 29th. Speaking on the sidelines, Chairman of Mami Tawan Foundation, Romi Meitei, urged the public to support the upcoming interaction program with Meitei or Meitei diasporas in Myanmar entitled Mami Tawan Gi Awa Khongchat. Lipun Wari on September 9th. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. First day of 8th budget session of 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly approves renaming of Imphal International Airport as Birtikendrujit International Airport. Pangmayban MLA Kumukchum Joy Kishan attacks Chief Minister N. Biren over Standard Robert Higher Secondary School girl student death case. Chief Minister Nongthomban Biren assures CBI in tracking fugitive former ADC Chairman Lukoste Zhou with Interpol's help. Students of Bangun High Secondary School in Mayang Imphal stormed Wangoi ZDO office demanding adequate teachers. World Indigenous People Day observance organized by Manipur Friendship Organization MAFRO at Standard College stresses need to save indigenous inhabitants. An innovative Cycom Surgeon's portable power loom and motor spinning wheel bring much delight to women weavers of the state.